You know, I try to do everything with a little even the clothes.
Yeah,
I try to go all out to get the customer.
Oh, so where do you get clothes from? Overseas or?
Some overseas and some local.
Okay.
Yes, like I would take things from England to me and so forth in America, yeah. So
We don't say about clothes store, but it's just to get the clothes out here and stuff like that, you know.
yes. So sometimes I go for the clothes. I be shopping for my clothes and come back. Yes.
So they're close to America,
Go
innit?
America.
Yes. I do, yeah.
Okay.
So the name of the shop again, because me have it on here now.
Yes.
But TikTok. What's the name of the store? Name of the store.
Oh, the name of the store on TikTok is CKNS Variety Stores.
Okay.
Yes. So that is just the store alone. But I'm gonna change the name for the store. It is Tashika's Variety Store Sports Bar and Restaurant, which I am gonna change the thing because I'm just gonna use my name alone instead of
Where you
TKNS
located?
at Waterman in Clarendon, where we do everything with a little difference right there. Yes, our cooking is very different, tasty and delicious. And you might not take my word for it, and you can come and try it.
Don't worry, man. We are
It's
come
very-
up there. You hear that, guys? The Williams family will be going to check it out ourselves. Me and this lady board March the 25th. We have to big up the areas and book, 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 book. Right, So yeah, so look out for that vlog. We'll be going to the business and checking it out in more detail. And yeah, coming soon. All right, my girl.
Yes.